Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're here in Encino. I know, over the hill, it's in the valley, I get it. But the reason why I brought you guys out here into the valley is because I found the most special home out here. This home is listed for $6,999,000. It's 8 bedroom, 9 bath. It's 10,000 square feet, so it's officially a mansion. But this house, I can't even tell you, like, the feeling that you get in this house is such a good aura. And so I thought I'd bring you out here to show you, so let's go take a look. So as you can see, when you walk into this house, there's this like roundabout right here, and you could park about 9 cars. So if you're a type of person that likes to throw a little get-together, you know, you can definitely fit a lot of cars in here. And the entryway is just really magical. And what blew me away about this house is because as soon as you walk in, you get this amazing view of this outdoor area. And so right off the main entranceway is the master bedroom. And you know, I love a master bedroom on the first floor because when you're actually living in the house, and let's say the master is on the second floor, it's really hard for you to like go downstairs and get a cup of water and stuff. So I love it when the master is on the first floor. And just even the lighting that they put, the developer really like chose like very special like light fixtures, but you get a total view of the outside and the pool. So in the summertime, if you're having a party, you know, you can leave all the doors open, and it's really just a beautiful feeling that you get. Really good indoor, outdoor living. Master bath. Wow, this is a master bath for a princess for sure. Jason, I mean, does it feel really big in here or what?
Oh, too big for the bathroom.
Yeah, I mean, let you check out the shower, man. This is like so like luxurious. Look at this, it's so beautiful. Like, they really did a freaking good job. I'm blown away. And here we have Toto, but what brand is this?
Oh.
But it does the same stuff. Probably a fraction of the cost. We have Hermes boxes everywhere. And tons of storage. I mean, this like closet is like,
wow.
You're gonna fit a lot of stuff in here, you know? A lot of hanging room in here.
I like how it's all white.
Yeah, it's very clean, you know?
Yeah.
And it's very beautiful. Great shoe rack. You can put bags in here. I mean, it's very well done. So this is another bedroom, but right now, for staging purposes, they put an office in here. And so this is one of the living rooms out here. And what he was suggesting is this could be a wine room. And this is a great little like service area, motion light, refrigerator, great big pantry. But I think the best pantry was on Londonderry, right? The pantry was like a house.
Yeah.
And oh, beautiful kitchen. And I like little nooks like this, like a great little breakfast area. It's more cozy, but you know, if you're sitting on this table and you're sitting on the inside, like I hate it because it's like, you can't get out. Lots of bar stools.
Huge wall decoration.
And a great little bar area. And over here, this can be a guest room or it could be a maid's quarter, depending on what you want to use it for. But there's a restroom behind you. Very well done. Laundry room.
Nice.
So there's 3 more bedrooms upstairs and there's 2 bedrooms in the guest house. And I kind of like this because if you have kids, like the whole upstairs could be for the kids, you know? And God, this house just has such a great flow and a good aura. Feeling in this house is so beautiful. Like as soon as we walked in, you could see the outdoor area, and so I don't know, you just feel good and it feels right, you know?
It's a good price too.
Yeah, it's a really good price. So it's right under $7 million, and you don't get much for $7 million in Beverly Hills. Like, I am telling you, everybody should be moving to Encino. It is a good value. It's lower on the price point spectrum, but it's a lot of house. You're getting a mansion for $7 million. Where,
wow.
I mean, I don't think you could get a mansion for $7 million. Powder room. So I like this. This is like a little homework area, and it's like a really good place for like kids to hang out, and I don't know.
Yeah, look at all the toys.
Yeah. So here is one of the bedrooms, and it's very cute. If you have twins, this is a great room. We have a restroom in here, and then another closet in there. I mean, not only is the house beautiful, not only are the finishings really pretty, but the staging they did really well too. And they chose really good light fixtures. They really didn't cheap out, you know? I mean, God, I wish I had parents that had money. I would love to like grow up in a house like this.
Who doesn't?
Yeah. Like, why do I have to have poor parents? This is the 3rd bedroom upstairs. And I mean, look at this stuff. So beautiful. So well done. You know, nice, great drawers. Restroom. So I was having like dinner with my friends, and then a friend brought another friend, and we were at the Polo Lounge, and the guy stood up and he said, "I have to go take a piss." And my friend looked at me with like total disgust in her face, and she was like, "That guy is so low class." And I was like, oh my God, I was like, I couldn't believe he said that. It was like, you know, it was a little bit much, you know? I think the proper way to say is like, I need to use your restroom. But when we were talking about the restroom, I like thought about that. I was like kind of embarrassed for him, you know, like, ooh. Like, I think he was just drunk and he wasn't really thinking. So we're gonna go downstairs, and then we're gonna show you the outdoor area, and then the pool house or the guest house. And let's go. All right, so this is the outdoor area. All these doors like fold up and open up. So it's really good indoor outdoor flow. And these trees will all be bigger. I mean, they just planted them. Beautiful pool. I mean, you're gonna have a lot of really great memories in this house. I mean, it's just so beautiful. Like, you can have a barbecue here and have a really nice dinner. So this is a great area to work out. You can put yoga mats down here. I mean, you could really get your fitness on. But Encino also has like really great gyms as well. So don't worry, we're not gonna shy away on anything like that. Over here, just wonderful barbecue grill.
Nice.
I mean, there is just like refrigerator. I mean, nothing's been used yet, you know? Ice maker. Yeah. So upstairs is the remaining last 2 bedrooms. Neighbor that has a basketball court, and I guess like that's like, I don't know, I forgot what they call a short tennis court, but you know, you could be friends with him and maybe ask if you could use his stuff. So these are the last 2 remaining bedrooms. It's a smaller room for sure, and they share a bathroom. And this is another room. And you know, the closets are kind of weak in this room, but it's meant to be like that because it's not really like a bedroom, you know? So guys, I just wanna thank you guys so much for going on our mansion tour today. So this home is listed for $6,999,000. It's listed in Encino. And so if you wanna take a look, please contact me through my email, which is caroline.choi@sotheby'shomes.com, or you can contact me through my website, caroline.choi.group.com. And on my website, you can also search for other homes for lease and for sale. And so if this is not the right home, but you're looking for something like this, you can definitely do a search there, and you can contact me and I can definitely walk you through it, or if you have any questions, I'm here. But I am telling you, I've seen a lot of homes, and this home is a really good value. For $7 million, you get this beautiful, beautiful, really well done home. And you know, right now the interest rates are like super low. So if you're financing a home, you know, this is the time to buy. And so thank you so much, Jason, for shooting another great video. And I love you guys so much. And I just want to thank you guys so much for being with me, for watching my videos, for sharing my videos, for subscribing to my channel. I love you guys so much, and have a great day. I love you.